Welcome to Shivor's Basics and Qubits and Housework. That's me. Oh, hello. Welcome to my house. Time to do some questions that I have to ask. Type the right answer into the empty box, then tap OK. Problem 1, Problem 2, Problem 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, that's good. Super job. Very incredible. I see you've done the 3 answers, so here's your reward. A blue coin. Pick it with the left mouse button to pick it up. Use it with this blue coin selected, and that's how you use items. Well, you found all 7 qubits. And you have to do one thing. Escape before I catch you.